Hello everyone, my partner and I want to present to you our project. The project is about genetic algorithm and how we can use it to solve our problem. Let's begin with the main idea. A genetic algorithm is a search heuristic that is inspired by the process of natural selection, where the fittest individuals are selected for reproduction in order to produce offspring of the next generation. There are 5 main phases in the genetic algorithm. You can see it on the slide, on this flowchart. The process begins.
Прошу прощения. Вы когда говорите что-то, вы можете мышкой же показывать. Не надо говорить что-то где-то. Ладно. Окей, можно мышкой прям показывать.
The process begins with a set of individuals, which is called a population. Each individual is a solution to the problem we want to solve. An individual is characterized by a set of parameters, known as genes. All genes are joined into a string to form a chromosome. The next is fitness function. It shows us how fit an individual is. It gives a fitness score to each individual. The selection is a step where we take the fittest individual and let them pass their genes to the next generation. 2 pairs of individuals, called parents, are selected based on their fitness scores. The bigger, the better. Next goes crossover. For each pair of parents, we choose randomly a crossover point. For example, you can see it as a red line. The crossover point is 3. Offspring are created by exchanging genes of parents until we reach the crossover point. Then new offspring are added to the population. As a mutation, we can randomly change some genes in a formed offspring with a low random probability. Mutation occurs to maintain diversity within the population and prevent premature convergence. And finally, after repeating these steps, we get the solution we ask for. So, Dima, please continue.
Thank you, Lisa. Our problem is the traveling salesman problem. We have a list of cities and the distance between each pairs of cities. And we want to find the shortest possible road to visit each city exactly once and return to the original city. It's a non-geometric polynomial time hardness problem. At the slide, you can see some examples of possible tasks when the number of city 4 or 5. So to solve this problem, we use genetic algorithm, but we use the specific version. We have only a mutation after selection. The mutation process is simple. We choose 2 genes in the chromosome and reverse the sequence of genes between them. It means that we have a 100% mutation probability. We run 100 tests with input data like 400 individuals in population, chromosome length 100, mutation probability 100, number of generation 200. And we get results which you can see on this graph. The process is convergent. Thank you for your attention.